In this lecture we will see about components. As you can see here that right now I am in the annotate, and here you can see that we have component, we have repeating detail component, we have a revision cloud installation, and we will see about all of these in this lecture. So first of all, let me start with the detail component. So you can just simply click on that, and after that if you take your mouse cursor to this drop down button, you can have a bunch of different options for that, and you can see you can clearly see how this one is looking. You can see here. Okay, so like that you can choose any of this. You can choose the row lock, you can choose these things. You can also choose the beam, universal beam section. So basically these things you will be able to only see in the plan view. You are not going to see in 3D, and that's why it might possible that you want to show someone that there is actually a beam is going on here in this region. So like that you can just put that beam there so that anyone can understand that this is beam. So like that you can use these things. Okay, let's move to the another one. If you're not happy with these, you can actually have bunch of different options for that one in the load family. If you just simply go to load family, and if you go to US, and here in the detail items you will find a much more different categories of the same. You can see that we have concrete, masonry, metal, woods, and all these things. So you have to use it as per your project requirement. Okay, so let me show you the metals. You can see the metal deck as well, steel metal deck. You can see you can actually just simply import that. Okay, and then you can just simply put it anywhere you want, just like this one, and you can see just like this you can just import it, and as per your project requirement you can use it. Now let's move to the next one, which is a component, repeating detail component. So if you click on this, you will get generally we use this for showing the brickworks. So we will show the brickworks s- in the section view. Okay, so for that in the elevations, so for that what I will do is I will just simply go to view, and here in the view you can see that is a section button. So with the help of this you can actually create a section. So I will just simply click on that, and after clicking on that I will draw a section in this region just like that, and you have to just simply double click on this one, and after that it will show you the section. So let's say you want to show the series of brickworks here. So in that case what I will do is I will go to annotate, and repeating detail component, I will just simply select on that. You can see that we have repeating detail brick work. You can just simply click on this region here, and you can see how this thing is looking. You can just simply click and drag to this region, and it will do the job. You can see. Obviously if you can just simply go to this, and here you can actually control the spacing and all of these things. So right now the brick is UK standard running sections, so like that you can control and you can show the brickwork as well. Okay, so similarly like that, if you go back again to annotate, and here you can actually show the installation as well. So let me just simply click on the installation, and after that you can, if you want to show the installation, all you need is just to simply click, and you can see that I have it means this is the installation sign, and it means that in this wall we have installation. So like that you can do the installation in this wall as well. You can see, you can see here. Okay, so all of the detailings that we are doing here in the, whether in the sections or whether in the elevation or plan, you will not be able to see these detailing in the 3D view. So this is the end of this lecture.